Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have this system of equations, and we're asked if the ordered pair xy is the solution, what is one possible value of x? So we can use substitution or elimination when we're dealing with systems of equations. Elimination is generally good when you have one equation and the other, and they line up. So if we had y equals x squared minus 4x plus 4, if the other equation was y equals some number of x squared plus some number of x plus a constant, and they all lined up, we could use elimination. Here, we have y equals x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then we have y in terms of x. So we have y is equal to 4 minus x, so this is better for substitution. So we can plug in 4 minus x into y in this other equation because we know they're equal. So 4 minus x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now we have one equation, one variable, we can solve for that variable. So the first thing, if we subtract 4 from both sides, these cancel and these cancel. And if we add x to both sides, these cancel. So there's nothing left on this side, so this is just 0 is equal to x squared minus 4x plus x is minus 3x. And then we can pull out an x from both of these terms. So x squared becomes x times x, and then negative 3x becomes negative 3 times x. Okay, so if we have x times x and negative 3 times x, this is x minus 3 times x, right? This is factoring by grouping. Okay, so if x minus 3 times x is equal to 0, for this equation to be true, either x minus 3 has to be equal to 0 or x has to be equal to 0. Well, if x is equal to 0, then we've already solved for that one. If x minus 3 is equal to 0, we have to add 3 to both sides. These will cancel. We'll get x is equal to 0 plus 3, which is 3. So these are our two possible values of x. We're asked what is one possible value, because you can only answer with one answer on the SAT. So you can just pick 0 or 3. Let's call it 0. Plug it into your test. 0 is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.